This is a cathode ray oscilloscope placed across the twisted pair phone line coming from the Uni V port on the NBN NTD. Caller ID is not working on this system, and that's because the NTD is broken. If I dial the phone, you'll notice a few things. I'm starting to dial now. Stopping, I'll do it again. There is no caller ID data sent along with or in between the ring cadences. The ring current is not sinusoidal. It looks like half of the transistor driving it has died, so it's only a half wave rectified waveform, and there's barely enough current to ring the phone. Now if I plug in a 1970s phone with a mechanical bell so you can hear the ring in time with the waveform, dialing again. Hanging up, and I'll dial again in a moment. Time to reset. You'll notice that there is no data transmission of the caller ID anywhere in there. Now, this crow is proving the data is not being sent. A Telstra engineer has been here and checked with his butt phone, and that doesn't receive any data. This proves conclusively to anybody with any technical knowledge that it is not working. The equipment is broken and needs replacing. It's as simple as that, unless you intend to actually pull that box apart and repair the components, which I seriously doubt anybody's going to do. Sending me another device to see if caller ID is there is not going to magically make this work. The equipment is faulty and needs replacing. It's as simple as that. Stop wasting my time. I'm the customer. I'm paying for this. I should not be having to diagnose the fault. You've already sent a technician out to look at it. He's found it's faulty for himself. It doesn't need another pair of eyes looking at it, or me wasting any more of my time trying to fix the fault with your equipment. Pull your finger out, get your act together, Telstra and NBN, talk with each other, and get the faulty equipment replaced.